viewers, this is Lion Company, whereby it deals with motorcycles, also tricycles. Here I have just one sample of a motorcycle, a long chase bike. This is a 150cc-2, we call it, that is the name of it. So this bike, it's a long chase bike. When you see it, it has a few features about this bike. It comes with the side pockets. It has a fuel tank capacity of 12 liters. It also has a cargo, so it's good for you. So it has an extra affordable carriers. These affordable carriers, it's for heavy or excess luggages. You can use it. Also, this bike, it comes with a turbo. It has a turbo charge. When you just see it here, it has a turbo charge for the boosting of the strength, to give the bike strength while it carrying heavy luggages. Also, this bike, you can get it in cash. Cash, it is 150,700. Also, you can do it lipa mdogo or what we call hire purchase. We need only 30,000 deposit, KRA, ID, 2 guarantors, and also the guarantor should have their IDs. And also we need a driving license with stamp A2 class. So if you are willing to have this bike, it's a very well bike, low vibration, and it can perform well in Mount Kenya regions. Also Nairobi region, it can perform for those doing in Marikiti areas where carrying tomatoes. Also for the border riders operating who loves to carry heavy luggages, you can have this bike, so it can perform well. Spares are available. You are welcome to King Lion Company, located along Mombasa Road, opposite Signature Mall. Just along after you come from the sides of Nairobi, you pass Mlolongo, just a few kilometers, like 1 kilometer or 1.5 kilometers. On your right hand, you will see our company there. You are welcome, or you just call me through the number that is passing just down there, and I will appreciate. Thank you, thank you, thank you.